To import Debank charts, start by understanding what Debank is. A popular platform providing financial data and analytics for various cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance projects. Debank charts offer valuable insights into market trends, helping users make informed investment decisions. First, go to the Debank website and navigate to the chart you want to import. Debank offers a wide range of charts, including token prices, liquidity pools, and more. Identify the specific chart that suits your needs, as this will be crucial for the import process. Next, look for the Share or Embed option on the Debank chart page. This option allows you to share the chart or embed it into your own website or application. Click on this option to proceed with the import process. You will be provided with an embed code, which is essentially a HTML snippet that contains the chart data and configuration. Copy this embed code, as you will need it to import the chart into your desired platform. Now, navigate to the platform where you want to import the Debank chart. This could be a website, blog, or even a spreadsheet. Paste the embed code into the relevant section, ensuring that it is properly formatted and configured. Depending on the platform, you may need to adjust the code or add additional parameters to customize the chart's appearance and behavior. Consult the platform's documentation or support resources if you encounter any issues. Best practices for importing Debank charts include ensuring that you have the necessary permissions and rights to use the chart data, as well as complying with Debank's terms of service and usage guidelines. Additionally, be mindful of the chart's updates and maintenance, as changes to the underlying data may affect the chart's accuracy and functionality. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import Debank charts into your desired platform, gaining valuable insights and enhancing your overall user experience. Remember to stay up to date with Debank's latest features and updates to maximize the potential of their charts and analytics tools.